How to make your iPhone ready for gaming. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial where we learn the best gaming settings for your iPhone. First things first, go ahead and enable the low battery mode. So go ahead and open settings and then tap on battery and then tap on low power mode and toggle it on. Normally low power mode reduces performance, but in many games it stops background activity, it reduces heating and keeps FPS stable. The next method could be in settings again, tap on general and then on background app refresh and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for background app refresh. This will stop apps from using RAM and CPU while you play. Next, from your control center, go ahead and turn off unnecessary connections as extra signals equals to more battery drain plus heat. So before gaming, go ahead and turn off connections such as Bluetooth, AirDrop, personal hotspot if they are not in need. Next, open settings and tap on focus and then tap on the do not disturb mode, or you can also simply create gaming focus mode and enable gaming focus mode when you are gaming. This will help you with no notifications, no call interruptions, and more stable performance. Also, make sure to use the best internet connection, so use a stable Wi-Fi if available, or a strong 4G or 5G signal, and make sure to sit near your router for best ping. Also, you can avoid overheating, so as heat equals to more lag and more FPS drop. So to do that, you can simply remove your phone case while gaming and make sure not to charge your phone while playing, and make sure to lower your brightness and play in a cool room to avoid overheating. Also, make sure that you have enough storage space. So in settings again, tap on general and then on iPhone storage and keep at least 10 to 15 GB free space, as full storage slowdowns your iPhone and affects your gaming experience. In settings again, tap on general and then on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, as Apple improves gaming performance with updates. Also, you can go ahead and close apps before gaming. This will increase background activity, so you can simply close all the apps before gaming and this will free RAM for your game. So these were a few ways on how you can boost your gaming experience on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.